Hi everyone, these are at Kit Hill Quarry. Obi, come on this way. I don't really know what they are. I just put them down like that. They seem like, I don't know. I just really don't know what they are. And they're on these lovely, massive granite flagstones. Oh, I wouldn't mind having those. Obi, come on. Obi. It's right, there's other dogs around. Wouldn't mind having these big flagstones in my garden. Look at that. Obi. Obi. Come on. Good boy. And then over here, there's this, whatever it is. Looks a bit muddy. But we'll have a look, because there's more stuff up there. Oh, no, it's solid. Like, what is this? What on earth is that? And what is that? Ball there. See if I could chuck that ball for that dog. Obi, Obi, Obi. Oh, come on, good boy. What a strange little place this is. There's another. Obi, come here, sweetheart. Another concrete thing, base. And then in here, there's this. Obi, come on. Right, there's another dog there and he wants to go and play. Wow. I've seen a few videos on YouTube of Kit Hill, but nobody's videoed this. Is that granite or is that concrete? Feels like granite, to be honest. Obi! Come here. Right, there's two dogs over there having a fight, so I don't want him getting tangled up. He's here, he's fine, don't worry. Anyway. How amazing. Let me film it from that way. Strange little secret place. It's lovely. Hope you like that. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.